So I'm going to show you a few things on StatCrunch and how to figure percentile. So this is from section 2.3, but it's useful for a lot of the other sections. If you highlight your data set, do Control-C and it'll copy. And then in StatCrunch, once you've logged in, you do Open StatCrunch. And in the top box, do Control-V. And it'll ask you how it's separated. This one was by commas, so I'm just going to press OK, and it puts it all in a row. Now you can rearrange it by sort and stack it, but you don't have to. You can go right to Stat, Summary Stats, and since it's in rows, I'm going to choose rows. If you had it all down in one column, you'd pick columns. So in this case, I'm going to pick rows. And then I'm going to select all the rows, just holding down the left click on my mouse. And it puts them all over here on the right. So everything's selected. The summary stats will find all of these values for me. Notice they're all over here on the right. That's what it's going to compute when I press compute. And you get a little table that pops up. And it has the sample size or the number of values in your data set, your mean, variance, standard deviation. We're never going to use this standard error, but then it has the median, range, min, max, Q1 and Q3. So you can use StatCrunch to find quite a few of the values you need. The only thing it doesn't show is mode and mid-range. Mid-range is, just remember, the min plus the max divided by 2. And then if you wanted to do mode, that's when I would sort your data. And you can put all columns or select all the columns. And compute. Oh, I did that wrong. I need to stack it first. So you do arrange and stack. And compute. And it puts it over there in the last column after your data set. And then from there you can put it in order. So you do data sort, pick, we're going to just select var 24 because that's where it's in a column, and press compute. Select it there and there and compute. And it has arranged everything from least to greatest. And then it's very easy just to go down here and notice that it's got a couple modes. It's got a 61, a 75, and a 98 is repeated. So hopefully that'll help you get started on StatCrunch if you haven't been using it, instead of having to use the formulas.